Hey guys, Dan here from Decolo 3D Prints. Let's jump right in with another install video in real time for the Ridgid ProGear 2.0 to Milwaukee Packout adapter plate. Here's a quick inspection of the front and back sides of what to expect from the left and right plates. Notice the embedded M5 nuts that are seated in the center bracket section on the bottom side. This is where the orange center locking bricks will bolt onto. Instead of how a normal Ridgid box is locked on, our adapter plate will be locked on in a little bit different of a way. I did it this way to increase the structural rigidity of the connection between bracket styles. Pick one of the sides and raise one of the metal side latches and angle the adapter plate under the bracket. It should just barely have enough room to swing past the metal arm. Then, angle the adapter plate down and seat it in its two backside feet resting positions. Then, do the same with the other side. Now, we can take the orange lockdown bricks and place them into their respective slots. They'll fit in perfectly, and we can begin to tighten down all four M5 by 14mm bolts into their seated positions. As usual, take care not to over-tighten, and always do this by hand to avoid cross-threading. If one of the bolts are giving you a hard time, don't force it. Back it off and make sure everything's aligned. Once the bolts are seated, they'll sit flush with the top of the orange brick. As usual, go ahead and give the plate a little wiggle for a job well done, and feel free to test the fitment with a Packout box of your choice. Something to keep in mind, if we're at any point needing to remove the adapter plate, here's a quick tip. Once the orange locking bricks are installed, you only need to remove half of the four M5 by 14mm bolts to release the plates. It might not be as simple as unlocking the metal brackets the way that Ridgid originally intended, but it's still pretty quick. This is the one time I would say to just zip out the M5 screws with a drill, but remember to always tighten by hand. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope this install video was useful for you. For anything else, other cool tool ideas, or just generic input, feel free to comment below, like, subscribe, and keep on bringing your ideas to life.